Lesson 6, Rome's Decline. During the AD 200s, the power of Rome declined because of a weakened government, a failing economy, and invasions by Germanic groups. Emperors such as Diocletian and Constantine tried to reform the empire. Emperor Constantine moved the capital of the empire to the city of Byzantium. The city was renamed Constantinople. Today, it is called Istanbul, Turkey. Emperor Theodosius divided the empire into two empires, the Western Roman Empire, with its capital in Rome, and the Eastern Roman Empire, with its capital in Constantinople. Over the next several hundred years, German invaders, including the Vandals and Visigoths, gained control of most of the Western Empire. Rome had a lasting impact on the modern world. Even today, Rome influences law, government, art, architecture, language, and religion.